All are welcome to return to SHIB. According to Google's CEO, Shiba Inu can catch fire. Prepare yourself to never work again. Upcoming SHIB publications. Hundreds of SXSW festivalgoers entered a tranquil haven on Monday, a digital setting with swaying bamboo and cherry trees, a shrine to the iconic Shiba Inu Japanese hunting dog breed, and other features. The failure of Silicon Valley Bank had only hours earlier jeopardized the existence of the majority of tech businesses. It was a welcome diversion from the implosion of financial systems and the first look at the metaverse that the Shiba cryptocurrency's developers were working on. A nod to the cryptocurrency's catchphrase, "We're all going to make it," inspired its name, Waji Temple. In this video, we look at how Google's CEO confirmed that Shiba Inu may catch fire. Prepare yourself to never work again. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. SHIB News. Now is the time to begin the video. The decentralization of bank runs like the one that happened last Friday is something that cryptocurrency is bound to do. The mysterious mastermind behind Shiba Inu, Shiba employs an avatar that is a cloaked figure wearing a hood. He keeps the rapid company updated without turning on his camera by utilizing Google Meet. By silently typing into a chatbot, he draws attention to the fractional reserves of banks. More people will become aware of this and elect to diversify, which will increase the worldwide adoption rate from 5% to 7%. People start to wonder, what is this SHIB thing when that happens? And learn just how incredible we are. It's not like some people don't know it already. Although Web3 evangelists are still a niche subset of Twitter, SHIB may garner the crypto bean's most devoted followers. The token was created as a joke 2.5 years ago with the intention of making something that could outdo Dogecoin, another meme-based token. But the dedicated followers called the army rallied on social media and managed to catapult Shiba Inu to a market price of $44 billion, putting it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. A decentralized trading network called Shiba Swap, and a collection of 10,000 Shitoshi NFTs, pixelated Shiba figures with different accessories like pirate hats and pizza hanging out of a dog's mouth, have expanded its universe over time. The Canadian luggage firm Bugatti joined with Shiba after Vitalik Buterin, creator of Ethereum and cryptocurrency supporter Elon Musk, both praised the brand. What began as lighthearted trolling by meme fans has grown into one of the most vocal groups on Bitcoin Twitter, with 3.6 million followers. They promise to send SHIB to the moon and are quick to tweet news bursts using hashtags like HailShip and Shivarthastrong. Sharium, its Layer 2 blockchain, launched in beta this week, and a slew of new tokens in preparation for a flagship metaverse named SHIB made it the third most Googled cryptocurrency in the world in 2022. Its greatest leap to this point has occurred now. When this launches, it will be the first internet shopfront for rock roll clothing designer John Richmond. The peculiar folklore of Shiba Inu contributes to their allure. Its creator Ryoshi was similarly shrouded in secrecy until his sudden summer disappearance from the internet. Discord no longer had access to his ironic cat-shaped image. He remained, nonetheless, visible. After the token's age exploded in value due to Musk's comments, Satoshi faithfully followed the path laid by Ryoshi, but only after the network had accumulated 6,000 wallets. The financial status of SHIB is also uncertain. Satoshi asserts that the money from the sale of Metaverse land plots goes towards development of the Metaverse, whereas the money from the sale of Satoshi NFTs goes elsewhere. Eli Ishage and Bo Nye's tokenomics and the team's decision to keep a share are still up in the air. They still haven't confirmed whether they retain any of ShibaSwap's transaction fees, despite not having pursued venture capital. SHIB's community is their main selling point, a phrase that pops up in interviews, blog posts, and tweets on a regular basis. According to Marcy Jastrow, the head advisor of SHIB Metaverse, who spoke with Fast Company, the group is listening to the SHIB army as they plot the Metaverse. The team outsourced their development to a company using the Unreal Engine software. However, they do not have a creative director. They begin by sketching out ideas in black and white, then publish the first versions on a blog, keep an eye on social media, and then, after several rounds of editing, coloring, and rendering in 3D, they build the Wagnai Temple. An unspoiled paradise complete with outdoor yoga and grazing deer makes up the first of 11 zones now under development. That community includes even other metaverses that are sometimes seen as rivals, including Decentraland, the Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' other side. For a place as fresh and groundbreaking as the Metaverse, Jastrow insists that the trailblazers must band together. She likens it to the prototype stage of VR. A triumph for all was our aim. Making sure the headset worked was our only concern. When venture capital funding stops flowing and competition for survival becomes fierce, it's especially tough to make it through the lean crypto winter months. It could be too pleasant. On the other hand, Jastro is right. What works in one metaverse may not work in another, but that doesn't mean it can't convince people to live in a Web3 or even a 3D Web 2. Despite Zuckerberg's passionate support for Horizon Worlds, the concept that Mark Zuckerberg bet his company's name on the metaverse is now more of a priority for Meta than I. Even though there are just 8,000 users on Decentraland every day, it is undoubtedly the market leader. Towards the year's close, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was selling for 60 cents, less than $1. An 80% drop has occurred for a number of metaverse coins. There are currently $589 trillion Shiba tokens in circulation with a price of $0.01 and a market capitalization of $6 billion. The stunning implied valuation of $589 trillion would be the result, as anticipated, if the token's value were to skyrocket to $1 per token, far surpassing even the world gross domestic product. The Shiba Inu has maintained its media profile thanks to its recent innovations. Shiba Inu has seen a meteoric rise in investment interest due to its high return potential. As the demand for Shiba Inu dogs continues to rise, the network of people who own and trade these pups is also expanding. Any astute investor would know that such a price is impossible to achieve without substantial reductions in supply. Regardless, many cryptocurrency enthusiasts are attracted to this one-of-a-kind coin that was started by millennials due to its inexpensive price and high potential benefits. Shiba, the second largest meme coin, uses the SHIB token, which has increased in value by 15% to $0.01 as of this writing. Following a successful retesting of a critical descending trendline support in March, the Shiba price rallied, indicating that the trend was getting ready to go northward before the trendline coincident correction dropped below $0.01. After launching in January, SHIB surged 96% to a new annual high of $0.11, 576 cents by early February. Despite the double-digit gain in the past day, Shiba still has a ways to go before investors can declare a new bull market. The second most popular meme coin, with a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, is suddenly selling for $0.01. Over the last 24 hours, the value of Shiba Inu has increased 30%, reaching $321 million. It seems like people are buying more shares because they think the price will go up a lot soon. However, the 100-day exponential movement average now caps price movement between $126 and $0. Maintaining the breakthrough from the descending trend line still requires Shiba to break above this crucial moving average, following the widespread abandonment of Shiba Inu in the market as a result of silicone